Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to turn this into this list. What it means is that Mr. Potato has a start date from 1st of May until the 3rd of May. So whatever become a list, that means it's three consecutive dates is from Mr. Potato. So you see that three dates become three rows. And then from 5th to 9th of May, it become viral. How to do it faster? We can copy and then write the date down, or we can use this. Now let's say that we can change that to say 6. Let's just right click and then change it to right click and refresh. And that's all, right? Mr. Potato has more dates. So very easy. Let's see how to do this. Okay, so we're going to select this one, convert into a text Excel table, right? So it's Excel table. So same thing, right? I can just copy this and then paste it right here. Let's do again, right? Close, put it here, click next, and we will convert this into a date type. Replace current. Same goes to this one. Replace as a date. Then we go to add. We click custom column, and here we want to key in a list. So I start with a curly bracket and number dot from this start date. So basically this from convert this start date into a number, and this number until uh, another number dot from, and it is end date, and then close curly bracket. Okay, it's basically that, and then click OK, and we have a list. Now this list represents from 1st of May until 6th of May, so which is this date here, 6th of May. So 6 day already, right? So now we're going to expand this list, right, for each row. So click on this button, change it to expand to new rows. Click on this, change it to date type. There you are, 1st until 6th. So these two columns is no longer needed. Just select them, right click, choose remove columns, and this one change it to the okay, that's already changing. Just change it to report dates, and then go to home, close and load to, and let's say just load it to another location. Well, we'll just load here. That's it, it's done. So this is the reverse method of the other one we talked about, that taking for reported dates, becoming this extracted start date and end date. So both way you can do. Thanks for watching. So what is the number dot form? You can look at this. The number dot form is a return a number from a given value. So for example, if you have a text value, it can convert it to a number type. Okay, convert it to a number value. So the key is about converted. Thanks for watching.